What are we doing today, Eric?
We're installing this electric trailer brake controller on this Lexus LX. There's some additional parts to it that we're going to be using, make it look factory plus. So we'll give this car owner the ability to control his brakes when he's towing stuff. We don't sell this, but we're going to show you how to install it. So let's see what's inside. All right, we got the module. We got a little controller switch here, okay? Little knob. And we also have this. This probably goes on top of it. And some additional harness. Some instructions manual. All right, let's undo all these wire ties and let's see how all this connects before we install it.
Have you ever installed one of these before?
Actually, I haven't. If it's pretty good, I might want to get one for my car too. Got a separate harness. Want to make sure this, oh, okay. So it looks like it's gonna replace this. So we're not gonna have to use this right here. Instead, we're gonna use this. Connects here. This looks like the factory connector. We just need to have to get the ground. And it's just here, and I believe this is for the switch. Like so, all right. And then here's the little opening, the blank switches. Oh, you got two different sizes, all right. Probably got two different sizes just in case if one of them doesn't fit. And this is the switch that comes with the kit, which doesn't fit anywhere, okay? It's too big. So just by looking at the factory switch, most likely it's gonna be this one here. All right, so here we go. So we have everything we need. Now let's drop this panel down and see where that connector is. All right, there's two Phillips screws down here. Disconnect these connectors. Whenever you guys are working with factory connectors, always pull on the connector, don't pull on the wire, because you don't want to end up ripping the wire out of the connector socket. Because it'll be a really big pain in the butt to fix it. Okay, got that out. All right, I think it's hidden up there somewhere. All right, so let's drop this whole thing down. Start removing these panel pieces. Let's see. I'll pull this side piece out here. Very easy, just a panel removal tool. Let's pry it out. Okay, we'll start moving the panel pieces one by one. All right, there's two 10mm bolts holding the bottom left and right side. There it is. Okay. All right. Okay, I see it. Here's the connector you want to look for. There's a little brown tape on it right here. I pulled it off from its original location, but it was originally secured on this brown tape here. It's a basically a connector. It's connected to something, but it's like connected to a dummy because there's nothing on there. Let me disconnect the dummy connector off it. Let me show you how it looks. Yeah, that's it. It was taped to this.
Oh.
Just to cover it. Yeah, that's it. That's how it looks. And it should connect straight into this. So let's compare the two. There it
It's
is.
very much the same.
Yeah. So let's connect this to it, and we will mount this, and we'll secure this to this side, one of the blank switches, and ground this wire, and that's all there is to it. Super easy. You see it?
Oh, I see it from right here.
Yeah. So right here, there it is. Bam. Just gonna let this hang loose here. And there's this connector that connects here. Bam. All right. And then let me pop this blank switch. There's one blank switch here. Pop it off from the back. Just press down on the release tab from the rear, like so. This should be a plug and play right here. So let's open this up. And just this way, okay. All right.
I think that was the other one.
Oh, you gotta turn it. Oh, it's the other. That was the other way. My bad. Goes in this way, like this. Look at that. Ah, okay, so double-sided tape goes on, and then it goes on here. Ah, but it's gonna look ugly if the double-sided tape shows. Look at that. I think that's for the original one, though.
Turn it fully counterclockwise. All right, so here we go. The moment of truth. Let's see if it fits in here perfectly. And it does. Nice. All right, let me route the cables. When you're routing it, make sure it's not in the way of any moving parts. Because remember, your steering wheel moves up and down, front to rear, okay? All right. Sweet. I will just drop this down here. Okay. And connects right here. All right. And next, all we have to do is ground this. And let's find a good grounding point. Hey, there's a lot of spots you could choose from. We're gonna ground it directly on this fuse box bolt. Okay. There's one here right under, there's one on the side. Let me go to the side. Oh, you know what? Here. Let's go up here. I see the official factory grounding point, which is up here. Can you see it from that side? Oh yeah, up here. Right here. Okay, everything's all wired in and ready to go. Okay, so when you guys are organizing these wires, you wanna try to not cross them as much as you can. You wanna keep them as organized as you can. We'll use some zip ties to secure the wire so they're not dangling. And we'll also find a good place to secure the module as well. All right, sweet. Okay, there's a flat surface up here that I found. We use some double-sided tape and just mount it right here on the side of this. Oh, that's perfect. All right, cool. Let me grab some double-sided tape. Before I do that, I'm gonna take a coffee break. I'll apply some double-sided tape right here. Sweet. Go, go, go. Go. Right here. Okay. All right, there it is. All right, once you find that spot, just apply pressure for at least 30 seconds. Okay. Terrific. All right, now it's all about just organizing the wires, zip tying them, making sure they're out of the way, and putting everything back to how it was before, just reverse ordering the installation process, and that is it. Okay. Yeah, some zip ties. Kind of zip tied there. I should have used a longer zip tie. Let me see. I could, but it's just more difficult. Oh, he's a longer one. There it is. Okay, and let me organize these now. Okay, there's a bunch of wires here on the side. I will organize these wires and wrap it up right here to the side. And I will zip tie the rest here to this metal bracket here on the side. Perfect. Looks good. Very clean. Out of the way. And mount it flat on this side of this bracket here. All right, super. I think this is it. We got it all installed. We got the wires all organized. Now let's just put everything back to stock, and that will conclude our install. All right, just like anything, when you're putting these panels back, like you gotta always see where how the clips are lining up, the guides, the clip guides, if you want to prevent breaking them, because a lot of times, like, people don't see where the guides are, and a lot of times they're not even aligned, and you just start hitting in, pushing them in, and next thing you know, they're all being bent and broken, and nothing goes back the way it should. There it is, our final piece, and it's got to clean up and we're done. That's all, folks. Very, very easy. If you guys get one of these, you could follow on our video. I don't think there's any other video guides out on how to install this. So yeah, if you guys need a brake controller, go ahead and get this. And seeing how easy it is, I might do one for myself too. If you haven't yet, help us, subscribe, give us that like, it'll help us out. Thank you very much. See you guys on the next video.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. Stand up, guy, walk 10 tall. Looking in the mirror.